would love that. This is so cute.
You want to get that?
Yes.
I like that.
That's so cute. Or there's also that one. But I think Bon Appetit is cute.
Which one do you like better?
The same?
No, this one's Bon Appetit and that one's Happy Dog thingy. What is this? What is this? I'm confused. This is for babies. Oh, never mind. I wanted to give our new puppy booties, but never mind. And we're looking for something like small for a puppy, like a small dog. Cause we're getting a puppy. So excited. I feel like this is too big. This is probably too big for either who.
Yeah, this thing's gonna be tiny.
It's gonna be so little. That's for cats. That is a big dog tail. We used to have something kind of like this. Actually, Andrew, isn't this the same thing that we used to have for Daisy?
Yeah. Similar.
Similar. That's too big. This is too heavy, I think. Oh, that's so cute. Little puppy Kona is gonna be adorable. It's a dog brush. Andrew, what do you think? Oh, this is a shoe. That is very weird. Where'd that go? Oh, this is the dog bed. We already got pee pads.
Did we?
Yeah, we did. When you weren't here, we got pee pads. We just have to go to the pet store instead, because the pet store actually has stuff.
We'll get this here. I like this.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Didn't Ivy say she already had a dog bed, so we don't need to get one?
We don't need a dog bed.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
To the pet store.
All right, we're gonna put this in the car.
Oh,
Then we'll go to the
pet
pet
store's
store.
literally right there.
I'm not taking
though.
this into the pet store. You can wait on the sidewalk for me.
No.
You can go to the car with me?
Sure.
I'll go to the car.
I'll come.
You can wait right here.
I'll come. Pet store. And they have a lot of fish stuff. Let's go. So.
Why did we record it?
Because I could.
It's weird.
Oh, pretty. Look at that pretty.
That one's really pretty.
Oh my gosh, there's so many. There's finches. They're so cute. They're so little. He's sleeping. I wish Kiwi would use his ladder when I met him, but he doesn't. No chinchillas. Thingies. Okay, dog toys. Aha. Those are too big. That they have these things.
This is cute.
No, Dad.
That's a cool one.
I like the poop.
That's the size of the LB. You like that one, Andrew?
Yes,
What?
I do.
You that the one you want?
Yes. I don't
Those are they have like, oh my, what?
I thought you wanted that one. I thought you liked that one.
I like this one.
Maybe that's too big for him.
I'll get this one.
You can get that one.
Sounds good. Oh, that's gonna get annoying. Wait, Dad. What is that? Oh, never mind. It's not TV sticks. The Kongs. It's a fork. This is
Too big.
Yeah,
Get
obviously.
this thing.
He's a little bit.
That's more
Andrew, he's
Daisy
too
size.
big.
That would be hilarious.
He's so tiny. His collars. We're probably gonna have to bring her bring her here when we get her collar. There's the leashes though. It's our Kona. It's gonna be so cute. Dad, look. She can have a matching collar.
Yeah, that's a cute color.
I don't like that one, but she could have a matching one.
That color, those are expensive colors.
I know. Oh my gosh, yeah.
You can
Oh.
probably look on Amazon.
Pretty sure she does not need a choke collar.
Yes, yes.
She does not. Daisy has one, but she doesn't need that. What the heck is? Oh, that's a leash.
Yeah.
That's a good leash. Pink. We should get our matching collar when she comes.
But how does this one attach?
Wait, let me see. What the heck is up with that thing?
Well, it's a lead.
And
It's not a collar.
would you quit?
Well, these are clearance.
Those are cute. This is cute.
$6.
Stop.
Stop pushing.
Ow.
And you guys knock it off.
Bow tie. This is what? Oh my god! That's a backpack.
Yes. It is. It's like you should go to work with me.
Oh, that's a bad idea.
Or one of these.
I could just
Sorry.
carry her to school. What? Oh, that's interesting. Raincoat in a bag? Why would you want to give your dog a raincoat? That's weird. Would you? Why not?
No, it's fine. Maybe so it doesn't get wet.
Dad, you have little booties. And she'll have little booties. Probably need to get her a crate too.
Yeah, but I don't want one of these folding crates.
Yeah. I mean, it's not Daisy, so she can't really knock it down. Dog, we already have. Whoa, Daddy. Look at all these toys for her. She'll be so happy. Wait, Dad, I found the puppy stuff. Puppy RS. Dad. Daddy. Dad, these are all like the puppy stuff.
Oh, these are cute.
These are all puppy
Yeah,
stuff.
see, these are way more
this
expensive
is,
than
oh, look, this is like the teething thingy, my bubber. Teething thingy, and then that's cute.
Little small these things. Hear this.
Here.
I don't know,
Like
you
this.
pick something and let us pick something.
I like this one.
That's cute. Huh? The squirrel? No, that's just gonna make her want to chase Kiwi and eat her.
Not a bird.
So,
A little rope for playing tug of war.
I like this one. I'm too short. This one. It has the teething ring, and it's also like a toy thingy.
So how much is it?
I don't know. I didn't
Where'd you
look.
get it from?
It's over here.
Which
Huh?
Which one?
$4.99.
$4.99. Like, this is a good color too.
Andrew, it's okay.
It's a good color for a girl.
Yeah, I know. She is a girl. Duh. This is like tug of war for a small dog. That's kind of cute. What's this? What the heck?
can get her a mini ball launcher.
Oh my god, I remember when we used to have one of those in Daisy.
Does Ivy's dog like squeaky toys?
I'm not
Probably.
sure.
Because I feel like we should get Ivy's dog, but I think this is too big for Ivy's dog.
Yeah, Ivy's dog is small. They have these small balls.
Yeah.
These
Okay,
tiny
so we got
balls.
2 toys.
Yeah.
Each got a toy. Let's get the Ivy.
Okay.
Let's go see the
More toys.
colors.
Wait, what are you looking for? Oh my god, Andrew.
Yeah, see? The training pads are
We've already got
they're
these.
twice as expensive here as they were next door.
Where'd I got them?
We've already got
I know.
training pads at
I'm just
Ross.
saying.
Daddy, can we put her in a sweatshirt? Oh, this is like, it's an igloo. Wow.
I feel like this is what she needs. I feel like we need to see what she is first before we buy one.
Yeah, how small
I'm
she
thinking
is.
one of
and
these
stuff.
things.
Yeah, like one of the smaller ones.
Yeah, it's right here.
This is for a Frenchie. This thingy. See, Daddy. Bagels, French bulldogs, and miniature pinchers. I choose a French bulldog papillon mix.
Yes.
Andrew, would you
That's
quit?
perfect for her.
Dog food.
Probably one of these. Or this size right here, probably.
Yeah, for wiener dogs.
Let's see what size this is. It's the same size as this one, isn't
Oh, really?
it? You don't want one that's too big.
Why not?
Because you just don't. I don't know why.
That one right there, $44.
Wow, they're so big.
We'll wait till we go home. We'll wait till we get her though, see how big.
Big boy. Okay. And then also, after we get, like a day before we get her or something, probably need to get her food. So she doesn't go hungry.
Well, we're not going to get a box. We'll get that for her.
Yeah, like a day after, a day before she comes. These are so little. We already have dog bowls. We literally just got dog bowls. Oh my god, Andrew. Stop it.
Any cool fish you like?
Feed it to the dog.
And what? Fish? What?
That's not funny.
You're confusing me. Axolotls.
That'd be cool in a fish tank, huh?
What will? Oh my gosh. That's. I like it blowfish. What? What is this? Here's a turtle. Turtle! Andrew, look, there's a turtle. No? Yes, it is. Come here. It's a turtle.
But it should all stay to one label. Ready?
I feel bad for all these goldfish. And there's like no rocks in there. And they're all dead.
They're probably feeder fish.
Must. Oh. That makes sense.
That's a cool ship.
Yeah. See, Dad, it's the tree thingy.
Yeah.
This is cool. I like this giant thingy.
Alright, give me your thing right here.
Whoa.
Go.
What kind of animal goes in that little rat?
I don't know.
Oh, probably like a bug.
Spider. It's a spider, see?
Yeah.
Or any other bug.
Spatter. Or like a
She
tarantula
has
if
to
you
get
want.
up underneath the other one, and she used to push it up, and they kind of burn out the motor.
What is in here? Is it a snake? Oh, it's a lizard! Oh. Wait, Dad, look at there's lizards!
There you go.
Oh, geez. Okay. These are like little. They're too big. Dad, it's a pig.
It is a pig.
I'm so cute. This is so cute. I like this one.
That's retarded.
It's cute. No, I have this one.
That's retarded.
You're retarded. How good, come on. Okay.